in today's competitive job market, having expertise in a specific domain make all the difference. At SSI, we offer specializations that empower students to excel in their chosen fields. Our program allows students to specialize in data science, biostatistics and data analysis, industrial statistics and operations research, or actuarial statistics. These areas are high in demand across various industries, and our curriculum is carefully crafted to address the unique requirements of each domain. In addition to coursework, every student completes 2 internships, one during the summer and another in the final semester. These internships provide valuable hands-on experience, allowing students to engage with real-world business problems. Our faculty members work closely with the students throughout these projects, ensuring they apply their knowledge effectively. By the time students sit for placements, they have built a portfolio of practical experience that set them apart from the competition. This comprehensive approach has contributed to a 100% placement record, with students receiving offers from leading companies offering competitive packages. At SSI, specializations are not just about gaining knowledge, but they are about equipping students with the skills and practical experience they need to thrive and lead in their careers.